you're going to do some configuration steps now. Cimon, wake up.
I'm waiting for your command.
Pretty good at listening. Pitch down 40 degrees.
Wilco, pitch down by 40.
Cimon, rotate right 90 degrees.
Okay, turning right by 90 degrees.
Okay, Gwen, that was pretty good. He pretty consistent. How is the weather in Catania, Italy?
The current weather in Catania, Italy, is partly cloudy at 18 degrees Celsius.
Cimon, what can you do for me?
We can do skill training with the Rubik's Cube, or do some other cognitive training by playing games. I can assist you with instructions for the experiments and act as a mobile camera.
Cimon, move to Biolab.
Wilco, moving to the Biolab.
So, can you help me with a procedure?
Which procedure exactly should I open?
Help me with the EPO crystallization procedure.
I suggest to start with the big picture words.
Tell me a fact about history. Move forward by 30 centimeters.
Wow.
The particle crystal will decompose slowly as the electrical charge is lost over time.
Next.
When the kinetic energy dissipates before the crystal is formed, the beads might stick to the wall and form a crystal there.
Tell me something about space.
The Apollo crew did not have any life insurance.
Cimon, can you play some music?
Do you have a particular playlist or a genre you want to hear?
Play my favorite music. Cimon, activate silence mode.
Silence mode activated.